we're going to show you how to reset to factory defaults for your Haylou T17 earphones. You may need to reset to factory defaults if it is not able to connect to your devices or if you encounter any abnormal work conditions. To begin, remove the earphones from the charging case. The next step is to press on the MFB button for 4.5 seconds. This is to turn off the earphones itself. So let's do that. Once you see the red LED appearing, the earphones have been turned off. The next step is to press and hold on the MFB button for 11 seconds. During this time, you will see two instances of red and white LED blinking. The first being at 7 seconds and the second instance is at 11 seconds. So let's press on the MFB button and hold it there. So that's the first instance, and this is the second instance. Once that is done, place the earphones back into the charging case and close the cover. Now, on your mobile phone, you need to unpair the instances of the earphones itself. So let's go to details. Tap on settings and unpair the right earphone. Next, select the settings for the left earphone and unpair as well. So now both earphones are unpaired. The next step, let's remove the earphone from its charging case. This is the right earphone. You'll see that the right earphone is blinking with the white LED. It's blinking slowly. And on the left earphone, it should be off. So now on the mobile phone, you select scan and it is able to detect our Haylou T17 right earphone. Select that. There's a Bluetooth pairing request. So select pair. Next, you'll see there's a pairing request for the left earphone as well. Select pair. Once that is done, your earphones are now connected to your mobile phone. And so, this is how you do a factory reset for your Haylou T17 earphones and connect it back to your mobile phone again.